chop small pieces of onions, cucumber, and grate your carrots. If you don't have carrots on cucumber, you can opt for any other salad, maybe cucumber. So what is lettuce, okay? And then you put rob or yogurt, and then salt and pepper. You will love this helped me with my cough and flu. It was so much, but yeah, just in 3 days, as you can see, I can now speak with ease. Thank you so much. Follow for more natural tips. Bye.